Hello dear students, welcome to Exam Mentor YouTube channel. CBSE 12th result 2021 has declared. If you don't know how to check the result, I will help you. Now you can check your results by following this step. I will take you to the page step by step. First of all, open a web browser in your mobile or desktop and type in search bar cbseresults.nic.in. Simply click on it. Here are three links given to check your result. You can click any link to check results. CBSE has provided a separate link to check school-wise results. You can check school-wise result by clicking this link. Okay, let's see the result. We will click the first link. Here you can enter your roll number and school number and submit. You will see your result. You can also see your result by clicking the link which is given in the description of this video. If you like our video, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good luck.